How to download movies and TV shows on MovieBox 2025. MovieBox is an unofficial third-party application known for allowing users to stream and download movies and TV shows for free. While it offers a vast library of content, it's crucial to remember that its use often involves copyrighted material and can pose security risks, as it's not available on official app stores. If you've already decided to use MovieBox and have it installed, refer to our previous post on the risks and reality of downloading MovieBox. If you haven't yet, here's a guide on how to download content for offline viewing. Step-by-step guide to downloading content. The download process within the MovieBox app is generally straightforward, regardless of whether you're on an Android device, an iOS device, if you've managed to install it, or using an emulator on a PC, Mac. Open the MovieBox application. Launch the MovieBox app on your device. You'll typically be greeted with its main interface, showing various movies and TV shows. Browse or search for content. Use the navigation menus or the search bar within the app to find the movie or TV show you want to download. You can browse by genre, popularity, or search for a specific title. Select your desired title. Once you find the movie or TV show, tap on its poster or title to open its dedicated page. This page usually provides details like a synopsis, cast, ratings, and available playback options. Initiate the download. On the contents detail page, look for a download button or icon. This is often clearly visible, sometimes alongside a watch now or play button. Tap the download button. Choose download quality if available. MovieBox might prompt you to select the desired video quality for your download, e.g., 360p, 720p, 1080p. Choose your preferred quality. Higher quality means a larger file size and longer download time, but better video resolution. Monitor your downloads. After selecting the quality, the download will begin. MovieBox usually has a dedicated Downloads or My Downloads section within its menu. Navigate to this section to view the progress of your active downloads and access your completed offline content. Access offline content. Once a download is complete, you can find the movie or TV show in your Downloads section. You can then play it anytime, even without an internet connection. Important considerations. Storage space. Downloading movies and TV shows, especially in high quality, consumes significant storage space on your device. Ensure you have enough free space before initiating downloads. Internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for efficient downloading. Wi-Fi is highly recommended to avoid consuming your mobile data allowance. App updates. Because MovieBox is an unofficial app, it may require manual updates or could become unstable if its servers are targeted or go offline. Security reminder. As mentioned, using MovieBox carries inherent risks, including exposure to potentially malicious ads and the installation of software from unverified sources. Proceed with caution and ensure your device has robust security measures in place. While MovieBox offers a convenient way to access content, always be mindful of the legal and security implications of using unofficial streaming and downloading applications.